Dawn light over a licensed pig breeding farm with modern barns. Veterinarians reviewing health records on digital tablets, controlled breeding pens with monitored genetics programs, pregnant sows resting in clean, climate-controlled housing, automated feeding systems dispensing balanced nutrition, freshwater systems tested for quality and flow, farm staff inspecting bedding and sanitation levels, newborn piglets under heat lamps with careful supervision, workers tagging piglets for traceability and records, growth charts updating automatically on farm computers, piglets nursing and gaining strength in early weeks, routine veterinary health checks underway, feed being prepared from grains and supplements, automated feeders distributing precise portions, barn ventilation systems adjusting airflow, temperature sensors maintaining comfort levels. Piglets moving to group housing as they grow, staff monitoring behavior for stress indicators, cleaning crews washing floors with pressurized systems, biosecurity checkpoints controlling facility access, pigs reaching juvenile growth milestones, digital scales recording average weight gains, inspectors auditing welfare compliance, nutritionists reviewing feed efficiency data, animals resting in calm, low-noise environments. Preparation for transport begins with scheduling logs. Livestock, transport vehicles arriving at the farm, trucks inspected for cleanliness and safety, loading ramps aligned to reduce stress, short-distance transport under regulated conditions, arrival at a licensed processing facility, animals resting in holding areas before processing, facility exterior showing high security standards, workers in protective gear entering sanitation zones, equipment sterilization procedures underway, regulatory signage displayed throughout the plant, humane handling protocols followed by trained staff, on-site inspectors overseeing compliance, initial processing areas shown from a distance, emphasis on safety and ethical standards in narration, carcasses transferred to inspection stations, certified inspectors conducting visual checks, proved products moving forward on conveyors, temperature-controlled environments maintained, automated washing systems, cleaning surfaces, chilling rooms, rapidly lowering meat temperature, digital displays tracking time and temperature, meat stabilizing in controlled humidity chambers, conveyor systems moving product to cutting lines, skilled workers using precision tools, machines portioning meat into standardized cuts, quality grading stations assessing size and weight, trimmed for secondary products, clean stainless steel surfaces throughout the line, meat transferred to processing sections, grinding machines, preparing select products, mixing units, adding seasoning where required, smoking chambers operating for cured products, controlled cooking or curing environments shown, product samples taken for laboratory testing, microbial safety tests underway, metal detection scanners checking each package, approved batches marked digitally, packaging lines activating automatically, vacuum sealing machines enclosing products, modified atmosphere packaging in progress, labels printed with dates and trace codes, barcodes scanned for inventory systems, products boxed in branded cartons, boxes stacked on pallets by robotic arms, pallets wrapped for stability, cold storage rooms filled with finished goods, temperature monitors, logging storage conditions, logistics teams scheduling deliveries, refrigerated trucks loading at docks, GPS systems tracking shipments, distribution centers receiving products, retail packaging prepared for shelves, supermarket cold cases stocked, restaurant deliveries being unloaded, export documentation prepared for shipments, international cold chain transport shown, consumer purchasing packaged pork products, home refrigeration storing products safely, food safety labels visible to customers, industry data dashboards summarizing production, sustainability efforts highlighted briefly, waste reduction systems operating at the plant, final quality assurance reports approved, exterior shot of factory at sunset, workers exiting after completed shifts, closing shot emphasizing regulated modern food production,